Snow makes the world quieter. In this silence, you can hear what you usually run away from. I didn't run away from people, but from the noise inside myself. The forest doesn't ask who you are. It just accepts your footsteps and your breath. The cave was waiting, as if someone already knew that one day another would come here. Cold teaches slowness. The wood smells of dampness and time. Its fibers are filled with patience. Each blow brings me back to my body, to my hands, to the ground beneath my feet. The wind blows through the cracks and reminds me that shelter must be earned. The stones are heavy, but they are honest. I cover the cracks with moss, and it's as if I'm covering something inside. Gradually, the cold has less space. The stones still hold the memory of warmth. A spark is always anticipation. A few moments of silence, and breathing becomes deeper. When the fire appears, the cave ceases to be empty. The snow melts slowly, turning into water. Even winter can give up a part of itself. Outside, the storm can do whatever it wants. Here, it has no power. Sometimes all a person needs is a small circle of light in the darkness, and the feeling that they deserve it. Today, that's enough.